Good afternoon and thank you for joining us on Midday. I'm Tara Wheeler. It has been a very active day so far for severe weather, so we want to start by sending things over to Vanessa Alonso in the First Alert Weather Center. Vanessa, what's going on now?
Thanks a lot, Tara, and good afternoon to you. It has been a very active morning for us here in the First Alert Forecast Center. We've had multiple tornado warnings for little spin-ups or rotation in some of those outer rain bands of what has been left over from what was Hurricane Laura. But now we are just focusing on a tornado watch that's in effect for our northern counties. It does include Pontotoc, Lee, Itawamba, Monroe, Chickasaw, Calhoun, Lamar, Marion, Tishomingo counties, Prentiss County from now through 4 p.m. So right now our sweeping radar is really not picking up too much across our region. We're just watching a couple of little cells, especially heading into the northern sections of the WCBI viewing area. So we'll be watching these storms very closely as we head into the rest of the afternoon and into the early evening hours. We're still under a level 1 to level 2 risk of severe weather, with that potential for a quick spin-up tornado is what we've been dealing with all morning long, and also some gusty winds and some heavy rain. More on that coming up in just a few minutes.
Vanessa, thank you.
Your WCBI First Alert Accuweather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us here on Midday. This afternoon, so far, everything is now quiet across parts of the WCBI viewing area, but we're still under a tornado watch in our northern portions until 4 p.m. It does include Lee County and the city of Tupelo, where right now our Alpha Insurance Sky Cam is just picking up some overcast skies out in the distance. Same as well in downtown Columbus with a few breaks in the sunshine. So we'll have to watch that daytime heating to make sure that no other showers and thunderstorms pop up. But with Laura still moving into the Tennessee Valley region, we'll have to continue watching these storms as they move in, or these rain bands. It's very warm and breezy out there at this lunchtime hour, mid to upper 80s, even already 90 degrees in Tupelo, and those winds are really picking up anywhere from 10 upwards to 15, even 20 to 25 miles per hour. So let's go ahead and take a close look at our live radar. We are seeing most areas along and north of Highway 82 dealing with these little pop-up showers and storms. Let's go ahead and take a good look at this. One storm just to the south of Calhoun City that is bringing a little bit of some heavy rain showers there. Let's go ahead and zoom back out into areas just near to the north of Fulton, near Belmont, into Tishomingo County. So we're going to continue watching these little cells here and there, because these cells have been responsible for causing some spin-up rotation or some quick tornado warnings, is what we have been dealing with all morning long, and it's all courtesy of what is now left of Hurricane Laura. It's now a remnant low pushing through the deep south right now, and because of with the fact that we're still on the eastern edge of the system, and you've noticed the counterclockwise flow from it, it's just bringing rain band after rain band, and it's these rain bands that can have these little quick spin up tornadoes. And also we're looking at the wind shear. It's looking like heading into tonight, all of that activity is going to be moving to the north and to the east of us. So we are anticipating after 7, 8 o'clock, things should finally start calming down for us. Here's a quick look at your hour by hour forecast. Again, we're just going to continue seeing a couple of feeder bands push through as Laura pushes out to the east. So keep it tuned to WCBI for the very latest. Of course, Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson and Trevor Burchett will be here this afternoon if anything else pops up. Keep the umbrella, keep the rain gear handy, because you will need it heading into early next week. We'll be right back.